Hey Wave, do you want to watch the Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs movie?
Sure, we can watch that movie. Look at the TV, it says there is a tornado coming.
Oh, why'd you slap me? Crap, will we have to go to the attic? Come on, let's go.
Okay, we're in the attic. When we were on the upstairs, I grabbed some of the DVDs from the show. What movie should we watch?
How about we watch Shrek?
Okay, we can watch Shrek. I'll turn off the lights, and you get the movie on.
Next morning, after the tornado ended.
Thank God we survived the tornado.
Yeah, thank God we survived the tornado. Oh yeah, and I think I'll take back my comment about Shrek being a bad movie. It's pretty good.